In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a channel to private. If you're managing a team space and need to tighten access to a discussion, converting a public channel to private is a quick way to limit visibility and protect sensitive conversations. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions to make this change, since some workspaces restrict who can convert channels. Also keep in mind that converting a channel affects how it appears in search and who can discover it. Existing members will keep access, but new people will need invitations going forward. On some platforms, this change can't be undone, so it's worth a quick pause to confirm you really want this channel to become private. Start by opening the public channel you want to change. Click its name to bring the conversation into focus so you're working in the right place. It helps to glance at the channel header and recent messages, just to confirm you've selected the correct channel, especially if you manage several with similar names. Next, look to the conversation header at the top of the screen and click the channel name there. This opens the channel details area, which may appear as a panel or a pop-up. The details view is where you can see information about the channel, its members, and configuration options. If you don't see it immediately, wait a moment for it to load, as larger channels can take a second. In the window that appears, head to the Settings tab. This is where the controls for privacy and management live. Take a second to scan what's shown here. You'll often see items like description, posting permissions, and other administrative options. This quick review can help you spot anything you might want to note before converting. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Settings tab and click Change to a private channel. This is the action that updates the channel's visibility, so it's no longer discoverable by people who aren't members. It doesn't delete any history, it simply changes who can access it going forward. A warning will appear to make sure you understand the impact. Read it carefully. It typically explains that the channel will become private, that only current members will retain access, and that the change may be permanent. When you're ready, click Change to Private to finalize the conversion. That's it, your channel is now private. The conversation history stays intact for existing members, while non-members will no longer be able to view or search it. If this change is part of a policy update, consider letting the current members know why the channel is now private so everyone stays aligned.